Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers, hope you are all well and enjoying your life. I welcome you all to the channel of Learn with MW. Viewers, don't go anywhere. In this video, we will discussing the noun cases and some amazing stuff about the noun case as well. So the native writer have written in their book there are basically 5 cases of the noun. Number 1 is nominative case, which is also called subjective case. Number 2 is accusative case. It is also called objective case. Number 3 is possessive case. It is also called genitive case. And number 4th, dative case. And number 5th is vocative case. These are the 2 different cases which we will learn in this video, that what is dative case and what is vocative case. So first we will start from the nominative case, which is basically subjective case. So let's begin. We will discussing the first case, which is basically nominative case. As I mentioned earlier, nominative case is also called as subjective case. It is also called as subjective case. Subjective case. So what is nominative case? So as I written on the board, when a noun is used as the subject of a verb, it is said to be nominative case. Again, when a noun is basically used as the subject of the verb, it is said to be in the nominative case. When a noun is used as subject of the verb, that's why nominative case is also called subjective case. Now I will giving you a short trick how to find nominative case in a sentence. Now remember that to find the nominative case, you just have to put who or what before the verb. Again, to find nominative case, you should only place who or what before the verb. For example, I will be giving you a short example. Now look at. Through example, you will learn easily. For example, I have written on the board, I write this example. Rizwan gave Ali a ball. So as I mentioned, what is nominative case? Nominative case is this when a noun is used as the subject of the verb. And to find nominative case, you should use or put who or what before the verb. So in this sentence, gave is basically a verb. So what we should do? We should put who or what. So remember that who gave Ali a ball? So the answer is Rizwan gave Ali a ball. So Rizwan is basically here a subject. And Rizwan is also a noun. So when a noun is used as subject of the verb, it is said to be in the nominative case. So Rizwan is a noun and it answers the question who. That's why Rizwan is here in nominative case. Hope you guys understand about nominative case through this example. Now we will discussing the second case of the noun as well. We will discussing the second case, which is basically accusative case. Accusative case is also called as objective case. Objective case. So now what is objective case or accusative case? So when a noun is used as the object of the verb, it is said to be in accusative case. Again, when a noun is used as the object of the verb, it is said to be in the accusative case. Now I will give you a short trick how to find accusative case in a sentence. Now remember that to find accusative case, you may question whom or what. What will question? Whom or what. Through example, you will learn easily. I will be giving you a short example. So now I will be giving you a short example. So locate. I will repeat the same example. Rizwan gave Ali a ball. So remember that what I mentioned, you may question whom and what. So remember, Rizwan gave what? Rizwan gave what? So Rizwan basically gave a ball. So remember that a ball here is basically object. And again, Rizwan gave what? So Rizwan gave a ball. So remember that a ball is here noun and is basically a ball is object as well in this sentence. So when a noun is used as the object, we will call it is in objective case or in accusative case. So again, Rizwan give Ali what? So the answer is a ball. A ball is basically object and a ball is also a noun. So when a noun is used as the object of the word, it is said to be in accusative case or objective case. Hope you guys understand about the objective case. Now we will discussing the third case, which is possessive case or genitive case. So we will discussing it in detail. We will discussing the third case of the noun, which is basically possessive case. Possessive case is also called as the genitive case. So now what is possessive case or genitive case? So a noun is said to be in possessive case if it basically shows two things. If it basically shows position or ownership. A noun is said to be in possessive case or genitive case if it shows two things. One is position and other thing is if it shows ownership. Now I will give you a short trick how to find possessive case in a sentence. So remember that the possessive case answer the question whose. Answer the question whose. Possessive always answer the question whose. For example, I will giving you example. Ali's umbrella. So Ali's umbrella. So whose umbrella? So question is whose umbrella? Whose umbrella? So the answer is Ali's umbrella. So here Ali basically is in Ali's noun and denote ownership or possession. So that's why Ali is here in possessive case or in genitive case. So when a noun is said to be in possessive case or genitive case if it basically shows two things. If it shows possession or ownership. And possession or the possessive case always answer the question whose. For example, Ali's umbrella. So whose umbrella is this? So the answer is Ali's umbrella. So Ali is noun and it shows possession or ownership. That's why Ali in this sentence is basically in possessive case or in genitive case. So we have discussed three cases: subjective case, objective case and possessive case. Now we will discussing some unique cases of the noun in the style of native people, in the style of grammarian, which are dative case and vocative case. Now we will discussing the fourth case of the noun, which is basically dative case, and it is a very unique type of the case as well. So the fourth case is dative case. So now what is dative case? So remember that native writer have written in the book that a noun is said to be in dative case if it is basically the indirect object of the word. So now what is now remember that indirect object basically for whom or what the action is performed, or basically answer the question whom. Answer the question. A noun is said to be in dative case if it is basically the indirect object of the verb. There are basically two objects. One is direct object, which is basically the receiver of an action, and other is indirect object for whom or for what the action is performed. So remember that indirect object always answer the question whom. So through this example we will learn easily that what is a dative case. So remember that Rizwan gave Ali a ball. So Rizwan gave what? So the answer is ball. So here ball is basically direct object because it is the receiver of an action. The receiver of an action, direct object. But Rizwan gave a ball to whom? So Rizwan gave a ball to Ali. So here is basically Ali is indirect object, because it answered the question whom. Rizwan gave a ball to whom? So the answer is Ali. And Ali is basically indirect object, and Ali is also a noun. So when a noun is said to be in dative case if it is the indirect object of the verb. So Ali here is in dative case. So remember that the second example, get him a pin. So get a pin, get what? So the question is a pin. So pin is here in this example is direct object, and get a pin to whom? So the answer is him. So him is basically indirect object. So remember that a noun is said to be in the dative case if it is the indirect object of the word. Through this example you will learn easily. Rizwan give what? So the answer is a ball. So ball here is direct object because it is the receiver of an action, and a ball is given to whom? So the answer is Ali. Ali is basically a noun and is in the indirect object. So in this sentence, Ali is basically in the dative case. So we have learned that what is dative case? A noun is said to be in dative case if it is basically the indirect object of the verb. Now we will discussing the fifth and the unique case of the noun as well, which is vocative case. We will discussing the last case of the noun, which is basically vocative case. So now what is vocative case? So the native writer have written their book, a noun is said to be in the vocative case if it is used to call or to get the attention of the person or the persons. So again, a noun is said to be in the vocative case if it is used to call or to get the attention of another person or a lot of person as well. For example, you will learn easily what is vocative case. So remember that answer. Example, Rizwan, students are waiting for you in the main hall. So remember that in this sentence or in this example, a call or the attention person is basically Rizwan. So Rizwan is basically a noun and a call or attention is given in this sentence to Rizwan. So Rizwan here in this sentence is in vocative case. So again, brother, a letter for you. So a call or attention here given is to a brother, and brother is basically a noun, and brother is also in the vocative case. So what is vocative case? We have learned a noun is said to be in vocative case if it is used to call or to get the attention of the person or a lot of person. For example, Rizwan, students are waiting for you in the main hall. So in this example, Rizwan is a noun and attention of the person or call is also given to Rizwan. So Rizwan is basically in the vocative case. So we have learned all the cases of the noun in a very conceptual way and in the style of grammarian. Hope you guys understand about the noun cases. In this video, we have discussed the noun cases and we also discussed some unique cases of the noun. We discussed dative case as well as vocative case. So if you like this video, share this video with your friend, like and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to comment. Thank you very much.